Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So for performing the experiments related to mixtures, let's discuss in detail about the mixture. So introduction to liquid dosage forms. In that, mixture is monophasic liquid dosage form which is taken internally. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixtures. Mixtures are get classified into following these 5 types. Simple mixture containing soluble substances, mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing potent medicament, and mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first class is a simple mixture containing soluble substances. Simple mixture contains only soluble ingredients. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are the insoluble in water but get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient time so that when the patient take the medicament by the spoon from container, the medicament is available in the right quantity. Example of diffusible solids are magnesium carbonate. Then third type is a mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. Therefore, to suspended the drug, suspending agents are added. Example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Examples of suspending agents: the compound Tragakant powder in the proportion of 2 grams per 100 ml, that is 10 grains per ounce of the mixture. Tragakant mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of the final volume of the mixture. Compound Tragakant powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but the Tragakant mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or chloroform water. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. The insoluble portions of the slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed. For an example, compound Tragakant powder or Tragakant mucilage is used. Then fifth one, mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weightable or weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and then required dilutions are carried out to give the prescribed strength of the formulation. Recommended container for mixture: plain glass bottles with the uniform intended internal diameter. Special labeling instructions for mixture with diffusible and indiffusible solids. Shake well before use. So let's move towards experiment. The experiment number 6, title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the simple mixture containing ferric ammonium citrate 10 ml. This is formulation of mixture containing soluble solid. Proposition 1 is ferric ammonium citrate is freely soluble in the chloroform water. The learning objectives of our experiment are to understand the use and the method of preparation and ability to prepare and label the given formulation correctly. The apparatus required for our experiment are beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, and cotton wool. So this is the prescription given in the Latin terms. So let's discuss in detail regarding this formula table. First of all, type. Here we can write the category of that ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system, that is 30 ml, which is given in the formula. Quantity given in the metric system, that is that Latin terminology imperial to metric we converted. This is also given 30 ml, and the quantity taken in metric system, that is 10 ml. We have to prepare the 10 ml of formulation. So first of all, ferric ammonium citrate is a hematinic. Drachm, IJ, drachm, 1 drachm is equal to 4 ml. So 4 into I1, J stands for ml liquid. Actually this ferric ammonium citrate is the solid substance, but we have to prepare the solution of it. So the quantity given in the metric system, that is 4 into 1 ml is equal to 4 ml. Now let's discuss about the quantity taken in the metric system. As we know, the factor is calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 30. So that is equal to 0.33. So multiply this quantity given by this factor 0.33. So 4 into 0.33 we will get 1.32 ml. And second ingredient is the chloroform water, which is a vehicle, also used as a aromatic water, carminative, flavoring agent. The quantity given in the imperial system is ounce J, that is 1 ounce is equal to 30 ml. So 30 ml. The quantity given in the metric system is 30 ml, and the quantity taken in the metric system is for the 10 ml preparation, that is up to 10 ml. Actually we have required 9.9 ml, but for volume makeup we should written here up to 10 ml. The direction for our today's experiment is 1 tablespoonful to be taken 2 times a day. So let's move towards laboratory for actual performance of procedure. Let's move for the procedure in the laboratory. So this is ferric ammonium citrate, which is previously weighed. This is from this chloroform, we prepared this chloroform water. So first of all we are going to add this ferric ammonium citrate solid substance into this chloroform. In this ferric ammonium citrate in this chloroform water, now we will proceed for filtration through cotton wool. So after filtration, our filtrate is ready. Now proceed for volume makeup. Now we will proceed for volume makeup into this measuring cylinder. After making the volume up to 10 ml, now we will proceed for filling it into this container, and after that we will proceed for next part, labeling. We fill this, so let's proceed for labeling. We prepare this label for our formulation. So let's see labeling of formulation. For mixture containing ferric ammonium citrate, quantity is written here 10 ml. For EDC, here one can write name of patient, register number XYZ, number in the register, dispensed by PQR, that is name of pharmacist, date of manufacturing is August 2020, storage condition, store in a cool and dark place, as here written dark, that's why we store it in the amber colored bottle. Shake well before use is the another direction, and one more direction for use. Patient 2 tablespoonful to be taken 2 times a day. Manufactured by Element Farms in Nashik, here one can write the name of industry. So result, the result of our today's formulation is 10 ml of this mixture containing ferric ammonium citrate is submitted in amber colored plain plastic bottle for special instruction on label as shake well before use. Thank you.